friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new video. And in today's video we are going to review a gardening set from Kraft Seeds. So guys, this is the box of the Kraft Seeds gardening set that I have right now with me, and this I bought like a year back, and I thought I'll just review it for you guys so that it is helpful for you all to choose as well when you all are choosing a gardening kit for yourself. So guys, today we are going to review the Kraft Seeds gardening set. And yes, the box is completely messed up right now, but because I've been using it for so long, but the set is as good as new in it. So I'm quickly going to show you all the set and then we are going to review it. So guys, this is the box in which it comes. Yes, the box is a bit untidy and messy right now because it is completely torn up, but this is what it comes in. And what we get in this is basically we get various tools. First of all, we get a pair of gloves right here to use for gardening. So if you look at the gloves, it has this plastic rubbery finish right here and nice soft cloth on top. So to work in the mud, this is the gloves that you get. So you get a pair of gloves with it. Then you have two spades in it. So two different size spades, one big spade that is there for digging and one small spade for small plants. So you have two different sizes of spades that you get with it. Then you get another digging tool here which can be used to dig and make a hole. So there's one here for smaller plants. Then you have one fork is here again to dig. So you have one fork here. Then you have one tiler here to whenever you want to put in seeds or anything in a line, you use a tiler to do that. So this is a tiler that we have here. This is a pruning scissor. So very sharp pruning scissor here which can cut any tree easily. You don't need to apply much strength. It is very sharp. So even the strongest branches get cut easily. It's very sharp and useful. So this is a pruning scissor that you get along. So yes, these are 6 tools that you have in this set. Like you get 2 spades, 1 digger, 1 fork, 1 tiler and 1 pruning scissor. Now let's come into the material use. This is pure metal here right on top. It's made out of metal and it has a nice anti-rust coating on it so that it doesn't rust, as well as this coating makes it easier to clean. So you just need to dip it in water, just run your hand through it and it gets clean. All the mud comes out. So, and it has an anti-rust coating on it so that it doesn't rust. Then it has a nice plastic handle here. The handle is made out of plastic. This is out of metal. So this is the spade. That's the same composition of all the tools. You can see the handles are made out of plastic here and the main tool is made out of metal. These are the pruning scissors where the blades are very sharp. It comes with a safety lock as well here. So whenever you're using, you need to open the safety lock and then you can use it. When you're done, you need to put the safety lock on back and then it will be closed. So it's very sharp. Keep it away from kids. Quite dangerous. Keep all these tools away from kids because they are all dangerous and sharp. So yeah. So again, the tiler is also made out of metal here, and then it has a plastic handle. So the best part of these tools is it is very easy to dig and to do gardening and plantation at home, at your small kitchen garden or a small garden outside if you have. You can easily use these tools, come quite handy in that case, right? Also you get a pair of these gloves which is quite amazing and good. The quality is very nice because they are very soft on your hand and they keep your hands from getting messy. So that's the use of it. So you can see this is how it looks, the look and feel of the glove. So this is how the palm area and the fingers has a rubbery material here to work in the mud, and the upper part is made out of cotton here. So this is how it looks, this is how the gloves look. And very easily come off as well, easy to wash. So not to worry about that. Yeah, coming to the price of the product, the price MRP of the product is 549 rupees. Guys, if you are looking to buy these tools from Kraft Seeds online. It's available on Amazon. I'll left a link in the description below. You can buy it from there. Trust me, these are quite helpful for gardening at home, and these are made out of very good quality metal here, which will last you a lifetime. So that is my review of this product. I've been using it for a year. Like almost every time I need to do some gardening work, these are the tools I go for. And before I had them, it used to be like a cumbersome job to do, like planting a new tree, moving a sapling into another pot, and all of that thing was cumbersome. But from the time I got these tools, it has become a breeze. So gardening has become a breeze after I have bought these tools. And so I would really suggest, if you all love gardening and you all have a small garden in your house, then you all should definitely invest into these tools. So guys, this was my review about the Kraft Seeds gardening tool set. If you all have liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.